Hey, wait. Not wearing a sunscreen. Sunscreen लगाए बिना बाहर मत जाना. Wanna know why? First, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and every platform. उसके बाद वीडियो देखो. Hey pretty people, I hope you are staying safe at home and are not leaving the house until it's absolutely necessary. Anyway, we in Dehradun have a lockdown, so there's no going out at all. Did you ever think in 2020 that there'll be a time in 2021 as well that we would be talking about lockdowns? So anyway, today I'm about to cover a topic which I wanted to do last year, but it just got delayed. So I'm here to talk about sunscreen. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of SPF creams, lotions, gels, anything that protects you from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. I think एक चीज़ जो इस पैंडमिक में सबसे कम यूज़ हुई है वो है मेकअप और हमारे fancy outfits. Nobody went out, nobody's partying, no clubbing, nothing. I think except the influencers who are creating stuff for you and people who are getting married, और किसी का मेकअप यूज़ नहीं हुआ है. मेरा भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है. तो but I would want to tell you one thing which is like not makeup, it is skincare and it's very important. Let's see the positive aspect of everything. You have time now, you're staying indoors and you have that chance to work on your skin. So let's make the most of it. आप अपना मैनिक्योर करो, पेडिक्योर करो. There should be a spa time. Just take care of your hair, do a night care skin routine, a day care skin routine. And these are little things that can make you feel really good about yourself and will keep you engaged in the lockdown. Even if you're working from home and you're busy in your laptops or whatever your work is, I think you still have a lot of time to give to yourself. अच्छा, अब गप्पे बात में मुद्दे की बात पर आते हैं. So, as we all know, this video has been created only to talk about sunscreen creams. So if you're thinking कि आप घर के अंदर हैं, आप धूप में नहीं जा रहे and you don't need a sunscreen cream, then my dear, you are absolutely wrong. Even dermatologists say that even inside the house, the harmful ultraviolet rays can harm your skin. So yes, you need a sunscreen cream even when you're inside the house. I will not waste time in telling you the ingredients of a sunscreen cream and all the extra knowledge that wouldn't be of any use. Main बात ये है कि सनस्क्रीन क्रीम लगानी है आपको. अगर आप घर पे हैं तो भी डिफरेंट टाइप की सनस्क्रीन क्रीम्स आती हैं, जेल्स आते हैं, पाउडर्ड. इफ यू पुटिंग ऑन मेकअप एंड यू थिंक यू कांट reapply your sunscreen, then there are sunscreen powders as well. I have like more than 10-11 sunscreens. हर का पर्पस अलग है. एक चीज़ समझनी बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो हमारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, जो स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, वो लाइफ टाइम सेम टाइप के नहीं रह सकते. देयर बी अ टाइम जब मेरी स्किन ऑयली होगी तो आई हैव टू यूज समथिंग दैट इज मैटिफाइंग, दैट इज जेल बेस्ड. The other moment my skin might feel very dry, so I would use something that is hydrating. So understand your skin. ये मैं अपने हर स्किन केयर ट्यूटोरियल या वीडियो में आपको बताती हूँ. Sunscreen products are pretty expensive, so let's be economical and wise and use your products accordingly. So if you look at these two products, this one from Requel is an ultra matte dry touch sunscreen gel. It is water and sweat resistant, perfect under makeup with IR protection. So this one is 50 mg for 700 rupees, 695. And this one from Vaseline, this is a daily sun protection SPF 50 lotion and it is 100 ml for 195 rupees. So if you look at both of them, दोनों SPF 50 हैं. बट इसका जो फॉर्मूला है, इट इज़ meant for a sensitive skin and most likely it will not harm your face skin. It will not give you acne because it's a mattifying gel. So this is my favorite. I also add this in my foundations and this suits my face. But if you have a very delicate skin, I also have an acne prone skin, but on my dry days when my skin is feeling dry, I always use this on my face as well. So this is like my favorite go-to sunscreen. But anyway, you can try to use this on the body. On your body, you require a larger quantity of sunscreen lotion. So it is economical if you buy a lotion which is SPF 50. It's a trusted brand, but ये lotion है, it is not specifically meant for a very sensitive skin, तो ये आपको सस्ता पड़ेगा. This one from Biotique again is SPF 50, but इसका fragrance is super strong and I can't bear it. So these are only for the days when I don't find anything else. This one again is good for the body. Never tried it on the face, so cannot comment. So basically हर skin type के लिए different रहता है. If you have an oily skin, you will get a really nice mattifying gel like from Lotus, Lakme, and these days Neutrogena. These days every brand will give you great sunscreens without leaving a white cast on your face. Then if you look at these two, these are again from Requil. दोनों SPF 50 हैं. The difference is जो ये वाली है, it is water and sweat proof. So mostly when you're going out in summers especially, we would choose something that is waterproof. So it does not wash away with the sweat. Whereas this one is not waterproof, so it is really perfect. अभी जब lockdown चल रहा है, हम घर के अंदर ही हैं, we have all ACs and fans inside, so this works really well. Then I have इसका ही miniature and Bioderma के miniature. So these are really great to keep in your bags, your purses, and when you are traveling. One warning: never ever leave the house without a sunscreen. Please, you know, your skin will start aging and you will get spots on your face, pigmentation, and there's so much harm you can do to your skin. So why not just take out 2 minutes and apply that sunscreen lotion? Okay, this one from Lotus is a sunblock spray. I have used this one on my face, on my body as well. It's a really non-oily formula. I like it. Can you see? It's gone. It's totally a dry formula. This one from Mamaearth is a Hydra Gel, and it's an Indian sunscreen, and it is again mattifying. You can choose SPF 15, 30, 50, whatever suits you. So that was it for today. I hope I've been able to motivate you thoda bahut to order your sunscreen if you don't have one. Bahar mat jana, order it online. If you want to know any further detail about any of these products, अगर आप इनमें से किसी भी सनस्क्रीन जेल, लोशन या क्रीम के बारे में मेरा रिव्यू या और जानकारी जानना चाहते हैं मुझसे, तो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड मैसेज मी, DM मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. स्क्रीनशॉट लेके या उस प्रोडक्ट का नाम पढ़ के मेरे को आप इंस्टाग्राम पे DM कर सकते हैं. I will let you know my review about the product. Also, do not forget to comment below what sunscreen you use or what else you do to protect yourself from the sun, except अब क्या हो गया, इतना ही था, अब जाओ, बाय.